Oi, Elgin, tudo bem?
Bom dia! Tudo bem?
Muito, muito bem. Elgin, primeiro eu quero te agradecer pela oportunidade de estar aqui conosco, disponibilizar esse tempo para falar um pouco a respeito da terapia subliminar.
Yes, I'm very, very excited and thank you so much for having the opportunity to be in Brazil and for your invitation to come to Brazil and teach this amazing technique in Brazil. I love it. It's one of the best, one of the easiest, and one of the fastest methods to use to help people in need, and also to help yourself.
Como a gente pode explicar para as pessoas o que é a terapia subliminar?
Subliminal therapy is very, very simple and is very easy to be understood by the client. So a therapist who's using this method, can explain it in very, very simple and very short terms. So here's how you can look at it. Let's say I have this book here. Yes. So when I explain about subliminal therapy, I tell people human beings are not just a whole, like one thing, one big thing, but actually we are made of different parts, different elements that make us up. So just like this book is made of the pages, in the same way the human mind and the human psyche is made of different aspects. All of these parts of our subconscious or of our psyche, all of those parts are connected to one central part, which is the backbone of the book. So we have different parts that do different things, like when you're the wife, the mother, the sister, the brother, you go to work, you go to whatever. Yeah? There are different parts of you who are manifesting and expressing. And when somebody has a problem, it's not the whole person that has a problem, but there's only one part of the person that has the problem. So when you do subliminal therapy, instead of trying to find which one is it, what you do, you go and talk to the main part and ask this part to find the part that is causing the problem with the client. So therefore, you have a central part, which we call centrum, and through that part, we communicate with the rest of the parts in the mind, and we ask the central part to find the parts that are creating the problem. I know it's a long presentation, but I'm sure you understand it's very, very simple. The human mind is made of parts. There's one central part that we communicate with, and we ask this person, this central part, to do the work for us.
Eugen, então sabendo o que é a terapia subliminar, qual seria o ponto principal, o diferencial principal da terapia subliminar no atendimento clínico?
Subliminal therapy works very fast, and especially in a clinical setup, it will help the patient to heal faster. That will reduce the cost of the clinical care, and also very important, many times the patient, for instance, are not very relaxed in giving all of the information about their problem. So with subliminal therapy, you can work with someone without knowing the details of their problem and also be able to help them at a very, very profound level. So subliminal therapy enables the therapist to work very fast at a very profound level, and also to do the change, to help the client achieve the change they want without really needing to know the details of their problem. So that is a great, great help for both the client, the patient, and the therapist.